home into a hub of digital connectivity where every device seamlessly interacts with each other, all at an affordable cost. Welcome to the world of private Wi-Fi networks. A private Wi-Fi network at home is not just a luxury, but a necessity in this digital age. It offers convenience, speed, and cost-effectiveness. With a private Wi-Fi network, you can connect computers, printers, and access the internet without the constraints of physical wires. The first step in this digital transformation journey is acquiring a wireless access point or router. A recommended option is the 802.11g router, known for its speed and reliability. Once you have the router, it's time to connect it to your devices. This is done by simply plugging in the Ethernet cable from your modem to the router. Now, the setup process begins. The router comes with default settings, which you can change through a web interface. This is where you give your network a unique name, select the channel, and modify security settings. Speaking of security, it's essential to protect your network's privacy. Two effective methods are Wi-Fi Protected Access, WPA, or MAC address filtering. These ensure that only authorized devices connect to your network. And there you have it, a private Wi-Fi network right at your home. It's like owning a personal internet highway where you dictate the rules. But wait, there's more. Remember to follow the Instagram account @for more content. It's a treasure trove of information and tips on tech and digital lifestyle. Before we wrap this up, here's a gentle reminder to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Your support helps us create more content and reach more people. In conclusion, setting up a private Wi-Fi network at home is not just about convenience and cost-effectiveness. It's about taking control of your digital life, tailoring it to your needs. So, what are you waiting for? Get started on your private Wi-Fi network today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay connected, stay digital.